Hey everyone, I'm Maggie Schotte, and this is my introduction to AEP 873. I'm a kindergarten teacher at Marysville Elementary. This is my 5th year teaching, but my 3rd year teaching kindergarten. Here at Marysville, we've been face-to-face since the beginning of the school year. Our junior senior high school was remote or virtual for 1 week because of too many teachers. We didn't have enough subs because of all the quarantines, but after that, we've been face to face otherwise. So it's been a challenge, as I'm sure all of you know, because of your face to face kids and then teaching those students who are quarantined and those remote students. So just a little bit of extra work, but we're chugging right along, and it's so nice to be face to face with our kiddos. I'm getting my master's in instructional technology, and I plan on completing this degree this summer. So, yay, the end is in sight. I started this master's degree with a simple goal of growth. I know I didn't really want to be a principal, and I still don't really want to be a technology coach, but the amount of knowledge that I've learned so far is just amazing, and I definitely feel that I'm a better educator because of it. Also, this degree couldn't have come at a better time with this last year. It's been so nice to take all of this stuff back and incorporate it into my classroom, or last spring use it when we were virtual and things like that. So for this class, I again just want to grow as an educator. I want to learn all the things Google and discover what I'm missing out on. I didn't even know there was a Google certification, so that is something that I kind of look forward to seeing what it's all about, and if it's something that will benefit me. So I look forward to working with all of you this semester and learning with you. Thanks.